So hi everyone, look at this question. A lens can form a magnified erect image as well as magnified inverted image of an object placed in front of it. State the nature of this lens and draw a ray diagram to justify the above statement. Mark the position OFN in the diagram. So simply like a lens which can form inverted and virtual image, then that lens is convex lens. It is just like this. This is convex lens, and you know very well like there are two position, like only one position case of convex lens. This is f to f. Okay, when r1 is equal to r2 means radius of curvature of this lens and this lens is equal. Then f to f. Okay, same here. If you place an object in between optical center and the focus like this, clear? This is a like this. You will draw like this line parallel to principal axis will pass through a focus. Focus. One like you will draw like this. Now you can check these two reflected ray won't meet together. Okay, you can check they are going to diverge. But once you take it back, you can check they are going to meet at this point. Appears to meet. Appears to meet means images what? It's like this. Clear? If you want to give the name, you can give this A, this is B, A dash, B dash. HI, okay, HI height of image. This is HO. So you can easily tell me here magnification is greater than 1. I know that it is magnified, but it is virtual, erect, and magnified. VIN. But don't write VIN in your exam. Okay, write full sentence. Okay, this is one case like. But if you place an object like this anywhere except this position, you will get always real inverted. Okay. If you want me to draw, you can draw in short. This is our lens, convex lens, principal axis, optical center. Now, if you draw like this, for example, this is focus to F. If you place an object between F and 2F, then obviously we know that if you place an object between F and 2F, you will get image beyond 2F. So how will you draw? Like this. Beyond 2F. Okay, image will be here, somewhat here. You can draw the image before that, if you wish to draw. Image is here like this inverted. Now draw like this. So reflected ray when intersect, actually, then it is forming an image. This is A dash, B dash, beyond 2F, means beyond center of curvature. If you place an object between focus and center of curvature, then image will be beyond 2F. Now what is like, is it virtual? No, it is real inverted. Real inverted. Clear? Understood? If you place at 2F, same size object. If you place at focus, highly magnified image. If you place an object at infinity, highly diminished. Understood? So here it is simply magnified. RIN. Real inverted magnified in this case. So the same thing they are asking us, justify the our statement. So simply draw the ray diagram and write the characteristics of image. Clear? So I hope this doubt is clear. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep moving ahead. Wish you good luck again for your upcoming like science exam. Thank you.